Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrshome for a complete home. And today's recipe is Prawns Dum Biryani in rice cooker. When you want to eat biryani and you have very less time to prepare, or if you don't want to get stuck in the kitchen for hours, prawns biryani is the best option. The cooking time of the prawns is very less when compared to other meat. Friends, do not skip the video and watch till end to get perfect, delicious restaurant style prawns biryani. Let's quickly get into the recipe. Here I have taken 2 glasses of Basmati rice and I have used Kohinoor Basmati rice. Wash this rice for twice and soak this for half an hour. In rice cooker, add 3.5 glasses of water. For 1 glass of basmati rice, we need to add 2 glasses of water. The remaining half glass I will substitute with curd. Add salt as per your taste. Add 1 TBSP shazeera, 5 to 6 cloves, cinnamon and cardamom, some bay leaves. Add half glass of curd, chopped coriander and chopped mint leaves, 3 to 4 green chillies and 1 tablespoon cooking oil, and add soaked basmati rice. You can adjust the spices as per your taste. Now let's switch on the rice cooker. Let's prepare prawns gravy. For this, here I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadai and add 3 medium-sized chopped onions. Add 2 to 3 green chillies. Saute until they are transparent. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute and add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Saute this until these tomatoes cook well. To this, add salt as per your taste, 1 TBSP coriander powder, half TBSP red chilli powder, half TBSP garam masala and half TBSP biryani masala. Fry until this oil separates from the pan. To this, add 500 grams of prawns. Mix until this everything combined well. Now close the lid and cook for 10 minutes in a medium flame. Some water releases from the prawns and we need to cook until this water absorbs completely. This is perfect. Prawns, masala and everything cooked well. And this rice cooker is still in cooking mode and this rice is 80% done. Now we'll arrange all the masala on top of the rice. Do not mix this masala with rice. As we are preparing prawns dum biryani, we just leave as it is. Add some chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of ghee and now close the lid. And let it come to warm state. Do not open the lid immediately when it comes to warm state. Let it rest for 5 more minutes. And that's it. Simple, easy, yummy and delicious prawns dum biryani is ready to serve. This tastes good when it's served with mirchi ka solan and raita. Do try this recipe once and I am sure your kids and family love this recipe. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and do share this recipe with your friends and families. And also do post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.